Hey, today I'm gonna share why most of the brand owners lose their money on advertisement. Now let's talk about two ways on advertisement, the old and inefficient way, and the new productive and efficient way and advertisement. So the old way is when you just take your money, you spend them on ads, you get interested leads, and they make a purchase. But every time at the end of the funnel, you just lose these clients. And you can say that you can reach out them again, for example, with the help of email marketing or with the help of paid ads. But you need to spend on it money. And also you take this money from the end of the funnel and allocate them again to the ads, and again to achieve higher results. You need to spend more and more and more money, and this is the solution of this problem. This is my really cool strategy, so I'm going to share with you. There are two ways: paid advertisement and users generation content. So yeah, at the initial stage we're going to use a paid ads, but then we just will remove this branch with the paid ads when we'll get enough audience, enough people to affect on them. And let's talk about this strategy. So first, this is paid ads branch, TikTok platform. And I think why not TikTok? This is really powerful and really cool platform, and we can target a broad audience with the help of TikTok ads. Next, boost videos and users generation content. And here we need to make sure that we have really cool, really funny, and really interesting UGC creators who can provide us with the viral content. This is the main aspect of successful advertisement in short form content platforms. And next, when we have a viral video, we have two options. First, you just post this video on your organic profile, in your profile, yeah, and we have only one source of use. This is organic source. And if you have a viral videos, you can get a lot of new customers, and you can get a lot of new followers in your social media accounts without any ad spending, just because you have a viral video. And part of them just will follow you. As you can see, part of them will buy your product, and then they keep watch your content. So we don't lose your audience. We keep this audience in one place in your TikTok account. We put together all these people in one place, and this is the main thing here. And my favorite strategy, my favorite way here is the boost videos. This is Spark Hats. Spark Hats, this is the type of paid ads when you take existing video from your profile and promote it with the help of paid ads. And why is so cool? Because we just promote this video with the paid ads. TikTok see, whoa, this video has a lot of views, so I'm gonna promote it too. And TikTok promotes it too. So if your video is viral, if your video really interesting for people, it's, for example, like rocket. So I really promise you, you can just try it, and you'll see that it's really cool strategy. And part of them will follow you, part of them will buy your product, but they all in one place in your profile. And then if you have enough followers, even if you don't have 1 million followers, at least 50k followers, maybe 100k followers, you can just remove this branch with the paid ads. As you can see, we just removed it, and we have only our organic content. So it doesn't matter you use a UGC creators, or you make content with your team, or you make content by you. Make sure that you have enough content to post it in your profile to get organic views, to get shares of your videos and new clients. And when you have, for example, 1 million followers, you can affect on them with the help of your video, because they trust you, they like watch your content, and they will buy your product. Just trust me, I promise you that they will buy your product. For example, do you know why Kylie Cosmetics is very successful brands? Because they trust she, and they want to support their brands, they want to buy your products. That's the reason why you just can't stop spending your money on ads, and you can get a lot of new customers without any ad spending. And in the next video, I'm gonna share with you the best currency in the world, and why attention is the best currency in the world. So I hope that this video will help you to get a lot of new customers without any ad spending, and see you